Hello everyone, I am Manisha teacher. Today we are learning a new topic which is properties of solid shapes. Okay, we already learned the about solid shapes. Okay, so dear students, look at this picture. There are some examples which shows the first solid shape which is cube. Okay, and you all of you look at this figure. This is cube. Okay, and now we are learning its properties. First property of cube is all the sides in cube are equal. Okay, all sides in cube are equal, as well as every face is square, and this cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay, you always remember that this cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay, and now you all of you look at this next picture, which are examples of cuboid. Okay, so dear students, these are examples of cuboid, and the basic example of cuboid is your book. Okay, so using this book you can understand the properties of cuboid. Okay, in a cuboid the opposite sides of each faces are equal, and in cuboid every face is rectangle. Okay, and a cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay, a cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay, so you always remember about the number of faces, number of edges and number of corners of cuboid. Okay, so now you all of you look at this picture. There are some daily using examples of solid shaped cylinder. Okay, so these are the examples which we are using in daily life. Okay, so and now you look at this picture. In this picture there is one cylinder is shown, and also there are some faces and planes are also shown there. Okay, so a cylinder has 3 faces. You always remember a cylinder has 3 faces, and there are 2 plain or flat faces and 1 curved face. Okay, cylinder has 2 plain faces and 1 curved face. Okay, and how many edges does it have? How many edges? There are 2 edges, both the curved edges. Okay, and now all of you look at these examples. These are examples of cone. Yes, these are examples of cone, and we can see easily these examples in our daily life. Okay, so look at this picture. This cone has a plain surface, and this cone has a curved surface. Okay, look at this figure. It shows a plain surface as well as curved surface. Okay, and this cone has only 1 edge and 1 corner. Okay, see, there is 1 edge and 1 corner is shown, as well as the corner is also called as, the another name of corner is vertex. Okay, so these are the properties of cone. And now next solid shape is sphere. All of you look at these examples. These are the examples of sphere. Okay, The sphere is looks like a ball and it is called as a sphere. Okay, a sphere has no edges and no corners. Okay, you always remember this thing as the sphere has no edges and no corners. Okay, means this sphere has only a curved surface. You can look at this curved surface in this picture. This sphere have only a curved face. Okay, the sphere has no edges and no corners. It has only curved surface. Okay, so dear students, these are the properties of sphere. Okay, and in this way today we learn the properties of solid shapes as well as we learn the examples of solid shapes.